If you're wondering how to analyze SEO performance across devices and locations, you're in the right place. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to do it, quick and straight to the point. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to track and optimize your SEO performance based on device and location data. First, the main challenge when it comes to analyzing SEO performance across devices and locations is understanding the differences in user behavior. People on mobile devices may search differently than those on desktop, and their location plays a big role in what they see. This means if you're only looking at desktop data, you're missing a huge part of your audience. To start, the first tool you'll want to use is Google Analytics. Here, you can filter data by device type and location. In the audience section, you'll find a report for mobile under technology, where you can see how users from different devices are engaging with your site. Pay attention to metrics like bounce rate, average session duration, and goal completions. These tell you how well your site is performing on mobile compared to desktop. Now, when it comes to analyzing across locations, Google Search Console is key. This tool helps you understand how your website performs in different regions. If you go to the Performance tab and filter by country or city, you'll see specific data related to the location of your users. This is essential for understanding if your SEO strategy is tailored well to your target audience's geographical location. But here's the thing, it's not just about the data you have. You need to use this information to optimize your content. For instance, if you notice that mobile users in a specific location are bouncing quickly, that may indicate a need for faster page load times or mobile-friendly adjustments in that region. Next up, third-party SEO tools like SEMrush or Ahrefs can provide even deeper insights. These tools allow you to break down keyword performance by location and device, giving you more granular data on what's working where. They even let you track rankings across different devices and countries, helping you see if your SEO efforts are consistent worldwide. So what's the takeaway here? To successfully analyze SEO performance across devices and locations, you need to use a combination of Google Analytics, Google Search Console, and third-party tools to get a full picture. Always remember to filter by device and location to identify trends and optimize accordingly. As a quick recap, here's what you should do. 1. Use Google Analytics to see how different devices are performing. 2. Use Google Search Console to track performance across different regions. 3. Leverage third-party tools for a deeper dive into device and location-specific performance. Before I wrap up, I highly recommend checking out the exclusive free trial in the description below. You can follow along and start analyzing your SEO performance with the best tool I've tested. This free trial is available only to viewers of my channel. Thanks for watching.